Baba, you see this our country Nigeria, so many things dey happen. Plenty things dey happen at J, I no fit want you. See this our country, if e never tire you, you thank God. If e don tire you, make you still thank God, because last if you check am properly, you go see am say na God hand we dey. Now this information wey I wan sama you so, the thing fit shock you, the thing fit no shock you, but I say make I give you heads up, make you for prepare yourself. You know say the adviser of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the man name na Onanuga, him don dey yarn dey give country people say make dem embrace farming. Now we go dey ask ourselves, wetin dis man mean? Wetin dis man dey talk for mouth? Make we leave our office work, make we leave our blogging, make we leave our skit making, our content creating work, come go dey plant pepper, tomatoes, onions. I go clear you on that issue, my correct people. But before that, I still bring another informate for you. Know say the federal government, they don set up task force to eliminate touts and kukerewaka for inside airports. Then the MD of the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria, wey be FAAN, he come dey yarn dey give the general public about the commitment of the authority to deliver exceptional service, ogbonge service, and to ensure a safe and secure environment for passengers and other airport users. No be small matter, my correct people. Now, without wasting much of your time, make I give you the details of this informate, of this headline wey I just sama you so. But before then, you know say na Anointed Lady TV na you dey so. Now we dey give ogbonge and legitimate informate on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive information like that, make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp. So back to the informate, back to the koko of the hour, my correct people. The tori be say the presidency don call on Nigerians to embrace subsistence farming to address the challenge of the rising cost of food. Now, the special adviser to our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu on information and strategy, the man name na Onanuga. Now he dey yarn this one for inside one meeting like that with group of online editors, and then dey under the Association of Corporate Online Editors, wey be ACOE, and e dey for inside Abuja. Now for inside Abuja on Saturday, the chairman of the ACOE, the name na Mr. Martins Odiete, he come get one statement wey him carry give tori people. This na statement on the meeting wey sup, and according to the statement, for inside the year 1976, the former president of we country Nigeria, wey be Olusegun Obasanjo, he introduce Operation Feed the Nation and he promote farming. Then for inside the year 1984, when former president wey be Muhammadu Buhari come enter seat, he come get shortage of rice, milk and sugar. Then the government come get to open warehouse to make sure say these items e dey available to country people. Now this one no be the first time wey they go through this kind crisis, and the government now they invest in agriculture to make things dey available and affordable. And as individuals wey we get role to play too. No be small matter, my correct people. Now you see this man wey be Oga Onanuga, so he don confess am with him mouth. He don acknowledge the fact say things no dey work well according to how President Bola Ahmed Tinubu bin dey one term. But however, he come dey assure country people say in the next 12 months, say Nigerians now, country people, go begin to dey see the results of the government, their effort for the country benefit. He say though people dey complain about hardship, but he don tell tori people say the cost of living crisis e dey exist globally. That is to say, e dey happen everywhere. So he say maybe this thing wey dey happen so for inside the world, say na circle, and countries now they go gats go through this certain difficulty, this certain hardship, they go gats go through am. And now we country Nigeria, we dey go through our own. But this government, they dey make serious effort to reduce the hardship wey country people dey face. Then the chairman of the ACOE, wey be Oga Odiete, he come dey emphasize, as in he come dey talk plenty on the importance of partnership with the presidential media team at the time wey be say country people now dem dey very much eager, blood dey hot, they wan get ogbonge information from their government. He say for inside this age wey be say information just dey flow anyhow across digital platforms dem, na why this partnership e dey very vital. The partnership need to happen so that e go ensure accurate, responsible and effective broadcasting of news and information. And by working together, we go make sure say the information now wey dey reach the public e dey serve for the greater good of the society. So na so the matter be like, my country people. Now Oga Bayo Onanuga don dey yarn dey give country people to make we embrace agriculture, and he say that na the means wey be say things go fit dey available for country people and e go dey affordable also. Now e dey leave room for countrymen to dey wonder whether agriculture now na the only means wey country people fit get things available and affordable for inside this our country Nigeria. Because if you check am properly, you go see am say the way Oga Bayo Onanuga take drop this informate, e come by as if na the only way be that. Anyhow the thing be for body, my country person, or you get contribution for this matter, drop am inside our comment section. On to the next informate wey I bring for you. The tori be say the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria, wey be FAAN, na inside on Saturday na dey come dey yarn say they go set up task force wey go dey eliminate tout, wey go dey deal with tout and other magomago activities, other kurukere waka for inside airports. Now the FAAN managing director wey be Mrs. Olubunmi Kuku na dey yarn this one as im dey talk with tori people on Saturday for inside Lagos. Madam Kuku now come dey express her worries, so she come dey yarn say the thing dey pain am well well based on the reports of harassment and extortion of passengers for inside airports dem. The magomago activity e too much. Na why she come vow say she go make sure say all those people now wey dey cause yamayama, all those jaguda people now wey dey cause illegal activities, wey dey make travelers no dey get good and nice experience, she say she go gbab all of them and all of them go chop punishment. No be small thing o, my correct people. Like this now Madam Kuku no get joy at all. She dey para well well. She say from now on na strict disciplinary actions na she go dey take against anybody wey dem find or wey dem catch say dey engage in any bad practice, any kurukere waka, any magomago activities. Like this now it's no longer business as usual. They don activate zero tolerance policy towards misconduct, and she dey plan to go meet government agencies wey dey operate for inside airport to make sure say dem comply with these anti-tout and anti-extortion measures. And she say this task force dey don mandate dem to enforce discipline among airport staff dem too, and to maintain a culture of professionalism at all levels. And e no finish there, my correct people. They say they go set up one particular phone line and QR code they go carry and give passengers, so that the passengers now they go use them as feedback to dey communicate with the airport on their experience. And all airport personnel, that is to say everybody wey dey work for inside the airport, they must display their on duty card and their name tags for easy identification and accountability. So from the look of things, my correct people, you go see and say the FAAN, the mean business, they wan make sure say dem deliver exceptional service, ogbonge service, and to ensure a safe and secure environment for passengers and other airport users. This na the information wey I say make I pass give una. Anyhow the thing be you for body, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. You know say here na Anointed Lady TV, and na we dey like give una ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, feel free make you go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey bring another updates dey come, my correct people. No go anywhere.